Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have JLab JBuds Mini and I'm going to tell you all the ways to charge your headphones. So unfortunately they don't support wire charging, but they do support charging using cable. So at first we have to prepare ourselves a USB Type-C to C cable for the first method. As you can see, it looks like that. And the first step is to plug our cable into our phone. The second is to plug our cable into our headphones itself. Now as you can see, they are charging. That was the first method. The second method is that you can charge your headphones using just a power adapter with a cable in it. Power brick, power adapter, as you call it. As you can see, we have USB type micro plugged in, but let me just change it. And now as you can see, if we have a USB type C cable in it, here and here, we can now plug our power adapter into our power supply and charge our headphones with it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.